Okay, guys, this is as close as we're gonna get it. So, where's my car?
I am right.
No, there it is. This is as close as we're gonna get it to for you guys to
Go!
see. What? I don't know we were racing.
Hold on, start over. There.
I'm covered.
Starting line.
But we'll start right up here.
Right. Ow. No, look, this here. The line. Behind the line, yo.
Okay.
Behind.
Go!
No.
Go!
If it falls, just put it back on the track.
I'm
on the wrong track. You're on the wrong track. I can go.
Yeah! I won it! No, I won. This is not the best video ever, but there's more of the track back here. Just a little bit.
Haley.
Running over you. I'm gonna choose this red car.
Fine, if you have the red, then I'll take the yellow. Hey, Daddy. Hit the computer.
Wait! They're old.
Yeah, so
Nope.
Nope. I'm not using him. Why?
Because he doesn't have one of those things.
Oh.
See, he's... Where is it?
Ah, my hair!
See, he's in one of those little sticks. See that? To, get on there. This one's probably the fastest.
Yeah.
Fastest?
Fastest.
Yeah, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh, I wanted to be that car.
No. My car! No! Mine.
Okay.
Oh, I think his little thing broke. What? Oh, that one did.
La 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 shut.
Dirty right, dirty. I'm in!
Shut up.
Go! I'm saying yeah, no.
Here's this hole. You should just so
We are actually quite close. He likes all my Facebook posts, and he follows me on Twitter, and we'd like to Taylor now. I moved the track by accident.
Or did you break it?
No, I didn't break anything. Yeah, I did break something. And you ran into me.
I didn't ran into you.
Yeah, I didn't ran into you. Beep, beep. Oh, what?
You broke the track. There, I fixed it. I fixed it. Good. Is that mine? Ow.
Broken rubber.
That went quick. Now, I want to have a chance with that car.
Fine, I'll take this guy. Let's spin. I've never done the this one. You're on the track.
I'm sorry.
No.
Crash, what?
Oh.
What the heck?
I'm stuck. What am I stuck on?
Hang on, wait.
What am I stuck on?
I got this. I got this.
Oh.
I got this. I got this. Tell this one's out of order for now.
Why?
It fell off in these times.
Oh, darn it.
Hey.
My face.
You're on my
Right.
Why did it wouldn't move?
Burning rubber, Haley. Burning rubber.
No, I got
Oh, did you see the spark?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the spark. This is the electrical. Electric.
Yeah. They're right here.
Yeah, you broke the trash.
Sorry.
Oh my god. We're breaking our dad's track.
No, you put him at okay.
Hope he's not watching this.
He's gonna be. Cause he's What was that?
I don't know.
Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I gotta poop.
That's great.